Hey, my name's Bear. Welcome to the channel. We are in video number 4 on my John Deere sampler quilt. This one's going to be a fairly quick video. We started from easy and we're progressing up a little harder each time. But this block here is the first time I've made it. I thought it looks more complicated than it is, but it's really just a variation of the last two videos that we did. So I'm just going to go over those blocks with you, and then I'm going to show you the new one today. This is what we started out with. This is just a 12.5 unfinished fabric that I got that was John Deere authentic licensed logo material, and that was the first block. That's going to be our foundation block, and we're going to use several of them throughout. Then we start out with a classic 9-patch block, simple. All these are 4-inch finished blocks. I'm trying to use the yellow, the greens and the whites in this quilt. Then we did the friendship star, and I embroidered a little tractor in there to give it a little pizzazz. And I'm going to do, I don't know if I told you this in the last video, but I figured out that I'm going to need 14 of the solid blocks and about 3 of each of these, or I think I'm going to go get another type of John Deere licensed fabric that I'm going to throw in there. So we're going to only maybe do 2 different variations like this block here. Probably going to add more yellow in the another friendship star block like this. Then this right here, this block is called the shoe fly, which you basically have right square triangles facing into the center block. In this case, I took some of that fabric and just sort of fussy cutted out that block. Is that the right word? Fussy cutted? But I cut this block, fussy cut this block. And but yeah, basically these are 4 right square triangles, half square triangles pointing into this block. And I just added the yellow to give it a little bit. But here's the new one today. And based upon the thumbnail, you can probably tell is the next block today is called a bear claw. Now the secret, I analyzed this, the secret to the bear claw is really no secret at all. It's still 4 half square triangles, okay? 1 solid 4-inch block, and this right here, this piece of fabric, I've seen where people have used a solid piece. Now because this, don't let me lose you here, this whole block when it's finished is going to be 12 inches. So we have to have our seam allowances 1/4 inch on all sides. So I cut this at 8.5. So it's going to finish at 8 plus the 4 is going to give me 12. You're going to have 8 plus the 4 is 12. So when we're done, this is going to be a 12-inch finished block. You could also put different colors of blocks in here and sew them together. They would be 4.5-inch unfinished sewn together to create, when you're done at this spot right here would be 8.5, but then when you sew it with these, it's going to be 8. Now, what I figured out to do on this to make these work out good is to sew these 2 together first, press them, and then you're going to take these 2 and you're going to sew them onto this one. So what you're left with after that is this whole bottom panel here is going to be finished. Then sew these 3 together, then take them and sew them to this block, and you're done. Now, you know I just can't leave it like this. We got to up our game a little bit. So I'm going to take this block out, and I'm going to put in another tractor. What do you think of that? You like that? I thought I'd add, you know, I don't want to put them on every block, but I want to spread them out throughout the blocks and you know, be random, a little bit of random on them. When I get all these blocks put together, then we're going to spread them out on a table or a couple tables, and then figure out how we want to arrange them. I don't want to arrange them like I made them. We'll mix them up a little bit. But here is the other finished block. Whoops! Just to show you what this is going to look like. Now here I didn't put the tractor in this one, but this is what it looks like when it's finished. You can see the bear's claws here. I hope you can. Supposed to. But anyways, that was a quick, basically, We went from the 9 patch, which was four, well, no half square triangles, to the Friendship Star with 4 half square triangles, to the Shoe Fly with 4 half square triangles, to now to the Bear Claw with 4 half square triangles. So really, this is just different variations of the same thing in different ways. But we're going to progress, and it's going to be a little difficult. Not difficult, but it's just going to be different from now on. So stay tuned. Remember, memories are most important. So after health, go out and make some memories, and I will see you later. Bye.